In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a pie chart. Pie chart, as we can see, we can present the data in a circle, and there will be multiple slides that represent particular value. So let me begin with copy that package. Tutorial number 47. Let me remove button and label, and then enlarge anchor pane, 640 and 400 pixel. Go to chart and pie chart. The pie chart doesn't have X and Y axis, so straightforward, quite simple. So let's go to title. I will say sales. I'm going to have multiple slides for quarter 1, quarter 2, and 3 and 4. For example, let me just name it as a pie chart for FX ID. Save it. That's it. So we don't have XY charts. We need to use a pie chart directly. So let me remove the method and label. I'm not going to use observable array, so you can use it directly. You can add data to each slide in the pie chart. For example, pie chart dot data, that's going to present data item. Name it as quarter 1. New pie chart. Again, data. The constructor, we can use label and actual value. For example, string value, then double. That's going to present one slide. Let me repeat. For quarter 2 and 3 and 4. Second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Let me change the value as well. Now you can add a slide to pie chart. So we use a pie chart object. Pie chart get data, and we can use add all methods. You can add all quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Clean and build. Here is a pie chart with the title and legend. We have a quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. You may like to change post quarter to be on the top. That means we create as an angle. You can change to roughly 180 degree. You can use that controller, or you can just type 180. Enter. For here, legend, you can change to usually left hand side. Save it. Make controller. Clean and build, and you can run it. So the quarter is on the top and legend is on your left hand side. Okay, that's all. Thank you.